So my friends, in this video we're looking at the Maidesite SC1 Pro. This is an electric adjustable desk. It's two-tone, it looks fantastic, and it's so easy to put together. I'm going to give you a quick video just showing you how to do that. Let's get started. Don't forget to hit the red button to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and click the notification bell to get my next video first. So last year I did a video with my desk setup and I featured the Maidesite bamboo rising desk, and I absolutely love this desk. I still use it every single day. So when Maidesite reached out to me and asked me whether I wanted to check out their new version, then it was definitely a yes. Now this thing is quite heavy. It comes in two substantial boxes and it does recommend that you have two people to carry it, but I managed it on my own. Opening this thing up, just be careful that you're not going to scratch any of the material inside. One box contains all of the equipment for the actual desk frame, and the other box contains the actual desk itself, and these are just the parts. Please do not feel that you can be intimidated by putting this thing together. It takes probably about 45 minutes in total. There's literally just about 10 parts to put together, and all of the instructions are very simple, and there's specialized screws which you can just use with an Allen key to get this thing put together. The first thing that you need to do is attach the legs to the frame, and then you attach the base plate so that the desk sits on top of that. And again, it's very simple. There's just literally a few screws to do that. Next up, you need to put on the feet, and again, a few screws with the Allen key, and the feet are now in place. Just make sure that this is all nice and tight, because obviously you don't want a wobbling desk. Right, okay, those feet are now in place, and we can now move on to the next stage, which is going to be positioning the desk frame onto the actual desktop, and we'll do this from underneath. It's just far easier. Now this particular SC1 comes in a few different parts. There's two walnut finish effects on the either end and a black finish in the middle, and there's also a back plate which is also a nice touch, and I'll show you that a little bit later, and there's a cutout for your wires to go through. All of the holes and everything are pre-drilled, and literally just follow the instructions. You'll need to put some dowel in, some of those special screws which you've probably seen before from IKEA, and then once you've got those in place, you just slot it in and then tighten up the bolts, and it feels really tight and really secure. Do the same for the other side, and then lay the desk on top and line up the holes, and then just screw it in. Add the back plates to the rear, and then add the wire holder, or the area where you can pop your wires through, which is really nice and simple, and then you're ready to go. I've just used cable ties to tie away the actual cables, and as you can see, I think it looks really neat. Connecting the wires is completely straightforward. There's just two little plugs that you need to plug into, and then plug in the actual desk to your mains, and then you're ready to raise it up and down. Now this is the back plate, which again is just a really good feature because you've not got all of those wires in the way, and you can tuck them all through. It's big enough to get a plug through as well, and so therefore it's neat and tidy. There is a really good safety feature with this desk so that you don't end up crushing things. So if you raise it up and then you raise it down and it hits something like the chair, for instance, then it will recognize that and immediately raise the desk up a little bit. Now, if you want to set a memory, all you need to do is press memory at the desired height and then a number which you're setting it to. Do that for all four different settings, and then you've got four different options for this desk to sit at. Now, if you do want to set different timers, so for instance, you want to stand for a period of time, you've got options to stand for half an hour, 1 hour, or 2 hours. And that means that you're getting the exercise that you need and you're not sat down all of the time. So this particular desk will have a height range from 72 centimeters right up to 1.20 meters, so it should be fine for the small people and the taller people out there. It does take a weight load of 100 kilograms, so that is a huge weight load, so you shouldn't have any issues there either. And the actual desk measures 160 centimeters by 75 centimeters, so you do get a little bit extra real estate with that desk. I think that this thing looks absolutely fantastic. What's your thoughts? Let me know in the comments. I really do like the two-tone of the black and the walnut. It just makes it look a little bit different, and this now is going to be my desk of choice. Now, if you do want to find out a little bit more about this desk, then check out the link in the description. It will take you through to Maidesite's site, and it will give you all of the extra information that you need. Thank you so much, my friends, for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you in a nice, healthy, upright position on my next.